This video is fake. Oh, what's up guys? Well, what's up? And Tommy isn't here. I don't know where he is. I think he's upstairs doing something. I think he's playing Fortnite or something, which is what I'm going to do in a bit. But all I know is Blue and Baby, Tommy's dogs, have played out around with Mr. Monkey. Last time he tried kicking me out the house, so I didn't record it, but oh, here's Baby now. Hey Baby. Hey Blue. Okay, that's it. What did you try and do to me last time?
I'm a friend.
Your Baby's friend.
I'm Blues.
Are you literally trying to fake her?
No.
Well, you are.
Which baby anyway?
I'm not going to tell you because I know what you're going to try and do to her.
I'm not one which baby I want to play with her. Oh, just yes, hi baby.
Get out of here now. Oh.
Now stop it. Stop it, worry. She's
Tommy, where are you? Tommy, come on, come on.
I'm here.
Tommy, Mr. Monkey's back.
What baby's playing?
It's It's Mr. Monkey.
Yeah.
I think she knows.
Yeah, I think baby you know. Yeah, come here, the mister. I'm going to eat you.
I think the play fighting cause up until Mr. Monkey ain't doing anything.
Yeah,
Do you know what?
What?
I don't think she knows what happened, what he tried to do to us.
I'll try and tell her now.
Okay, I'll keep hold of Mr. Monkey.
Yeah, come in. Right.
What's in here?
Punk.
Punk. Oh, what's in here, Punk?
No, you're my dad. Yeah, okay, I'm a friend. Come here, look at me. Yeah, hi, Mr. Monkey. Do you know him? He tried to kick us out the house last time. Why? Because he's evil. He doesn't want to be friends with you. He wants to be mean to you. He probably kicked you out the house. Why? I don't know.
That's why we're trying to kill him, like what I'm doing now. Surprised he isn't saying anything.
Ow.
Oh, God.
Ow. Stop it now.
Fine.
I don't believe you. Why, baby? I don't know. Bye. No. Right, I'm going to kick Baby and Blue and Jojo. I don't think Jojo would even recognise it because he's quite stupid. That's a bit mean. Don't you think that's a bit mean?
Yeah, that is a bit mean.
Yeah, but to be fair, he is stupid.
Well, he does have problems.
Come here, Blue. Come here. Baby, can you be quiet? Yeah. Oh, just play with her. I have Mr. Monkey hostage because we're going to tie him up with this wire. Okay.
So let's tie him up now. That's it, Mr. Monkey. We've tied you up. What are you going to do now?
Everything I can.
No, you're not. Do you know what, Tommy? Should we go to bed?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. See you guys in the morning. Morning.
Libby, it's time to wake up. Libby,
Yeah.
it's time to wake up.
Okay. What? What are you going to do?
I want to make breakfast for us.
Okay. I'm going to go upstairs now, Tommy. I'm going to the toilet.
Okay.
Oh, come on. I've just been to the toilet. Now you're doing this?
Yeah.
Tommy, why are you looking around the corner? Have you finished your cereal?
I have finished it.
Then what was he doing there? Why are you giving him a hug?
Sometimes it can be a bit cute.
No, you can't. Well, you got a point, but cute but evil.
Cute but evil.
Got a weapon now. So, should we make a plan of what we're going to do to him?
Yeah.
If he can escape that, then yeah.
I'll be back. I'll be back better than ever. And you'll be my slaves. And goodbye.
Bye-bye.